If you're a marketer, you must have heard about Google Search Generative Experiences by now. I know I was on the wait list for quite a while, but I've got to play around with it, and it's pretty dang cool. It's really Google's way of integrating AI with their search, and it's great for users. They'll get the answers they want without having to visit any website, but this could be problematic for website owners because they get pushed down and, users won't actually have to go to their page. The thing is, we've seen this before. When we had the position 0 results, this is something that we've had to overcome. So if you're a marketer, realize this is just a part of the game. So with these types of search results, there's going to be pros, cons, but it's going to be changing and you can find a way to make it work for you. While it's true that it's going to be rough going for some businesses that are relying on the SERPs, there's also a really great side to it. Blogs and websites will still get plenty of traffic. You're going to have to be creating great content. You can't just be creating commoditized AI content anymore if you want to get people on your site. AI results are able to give the lay of the land on a topic really easily, but they aren't able to go as deep as you might think they could. What it can never do is able to provide specific industry knowledge and experiences that you have. When information that AI can produce gets commoditized, the only thing that really matters is going to be perspective and personality. So you've got to be able to integrate those in all of the content that you write. For example, when a user searches how to boost Google ad conversion rates, the fold is going to be covered with AI sharing different ways to, boost conversion rates, top 5 ways to do those things, the standard type of listicle blogs that you've seen before. But below that, you're going to want to be competing to make sure that you have something that actually stands out for that particular moment. So don't go generic, go specific. So how we increased ad conversion rates for X company in the next couple of days with these few tricks. Now, I know in this example, I'm talking about ads, and ads are actually kind of a tricky thing to actually be talking about when it comes to the generative search capabilities of Google. The fact of the matter is that Google makes its money from ads. So ads aren't going to be going anywhere, really. They're just going to be evolving. So whether you're in the organic space or whether you're in the Google ad space, you have to make sure that you're rolling with the punches here. So Google will find a way to monetize these types of results. And as marketers, if you're on that ad side of things, you're going to make sure that you're keeping up to date and you're making sure that you're able to, be competitive when, not if, when AI is going to be integrating ads into their results.